All right, so sequence and series is what we are going to be looking at today. And of course, this is Menora Academy, the only place where mathematics is made easy. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and ensure that you turn on the notification bell so that anytime new video is uploaded, you can be able to benefit. Here we crack mathematics. Not only that, we take you through the process, and of course, you are going to enjoy it. So today, we're looking at sequence and series. Under it, we'll be looking at AP, be looking at GP, and also the sum of AP, the sum of GP. Also, we also be looking at the sum to infinity of a GP. Also, and more of them. So I'll be guiding you through very fast. Now, sequence and series. When we talk about sequence, we are talking about a set of number. You can have a set of numbers separated by comma and then by a given rules. By a given rules. Now, we are going to look at this example very fast, and how to solve question with regards to series and sequence. And then sequence is just the addition of series. Let's assume that you have 2, 5, 7. This is a sequence. We call this one sequence. But if it is a series, it's going to be 2 plus 5 plus 7. Like that. This is a series. All right, this one is a sequence and this one is what? A series. This is the two difference. So if they say write something in form of a sequence, you do like this. Then if it is in form of a series, you just separate them with addition. So that is just the difference. Okay, now very fast, we have the first question. Number 1, the n term of a sequence is given by 3 times 2 raised to the power n minus 2. Write down the first 3 terms of the sequence. So now under AP and GP, or sequence and series, number of terms is given by T of n. So T of n is given to be what? Our T of n is given to be 3 times 2 raised to the power of n minus 2. So we are going to write the first 3 terms. So the first term will be T of 1. So n represent the number of terms. So it's going to be 3 times 2. Anywhere you see n, you put 2. You put 1. So it's going to be 1 minus 2. So this is the same thing as equals to 3 times 2 raised to the power of what? Minus what? 1, which is the same thing as 3 times 2 raised to the power minus 1 is the same thing as 1 all over what? Over 2. So the answer of this is going to be 3 times 1 is 3 all over then 2. So this is the first term. Okay, so now the second term will be T of 2. T of 2 now will be the same thing as 3 times 2. Instead of this n, now we have 2 minus 2. So this is going to be equals to 3 times 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. This is going to be equals to 3 times anything raised to the power 0 is what? Is 1. So we are left with what? With 3 times 1 is what? Is 3. So T of 3, which is the last one, we are going to have 3 times 2 raised to the power of 3 now minus 2, which is going to be equals to 3 times 2 raised to the power of this minus this is 1. So it's as 3 times 2 raised to the power 1 is still 2. And then 2 times this is what? Is 6. So therefore, the first one is 3 over 1 over 2, comma. Then the second sequence is 3, comma. Then the last sequence is 6. So, and it continues. So this is the solution to the first one. All right, so very fast. Number 2, then say find the sum of the series. This time around is a series of the series of this n squared plus 5n up to the 40th term. Up to the what? The 40th term. So now look at this very fast. So here our T of n is given to be n squared plus n. That is what is up to the 40th time. So we are going to solve one after the other. So we have T of 1 to be equals to n now will be what? 1 squared plus 5 into what? Into 1, which is 1 squared is 1. Then plus 5 times 1 is what? Is 5, which is equals to what? 6. So T of second, T2 now will be 1 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 into 2. 1 squared, 1 raised to the power 2 is what? No, this one is still 1 raised to the power 1. Sorry, rather. Here is 1 raised to the power what now? 2. Is that so? No. This is 2. Here is what? Is now 2 raised to the power what? 2. Thank you. All right, then we are going to have this raised to the power. 2 raised to the power 2 is what? Is 4. Then 5 times 2 is what? Is 10. So this plus 10, 4 plus 10 is 14. So now T of 3 will be 2 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of what? Of 2 plus 5 into 3. So this 3 raised to the power 2 is what? Is 9. Then plus 5 times 3 is what? Is 15. So 9 plus 15 is what? 9 plus 15 is going to be what? 20 what? 4. So finally, T of 4 is going to be equals to 4 raised to the power of 2 plus 5 into 4 equals to 4 raised to the power 2 is what? 16 plus 5 times this is what? 20. So 20 plus 16 is what? 36. So therefore, the series is going to be, the first one is what? We have 6 plus what? Plus 14 plus 24 plus 36. This is a series, but the question said we should find a sum. Had they been they say we should find series, we'll just stop here. Since they say the sum, so that means we are going to add them and find a single answer. But if they did not say find a sum, they just say find the series. What you are going to do is leave your answer like this. This is series. So now that they say we should add 6 plus 14 plus 24 plus 36 is what? Is equals to 80. So this is a sum of the series. Okay.